안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, hope you are doing very well. Got some cabbage in your fridge and not sure what to make it with it. Today I will show you how to turn it into something tasty, easy and delicious cabbage rolls that everyone will enjoy. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, cut the cabbage leaves in half. Trim the thick edges on the sides to make the leaves easier to roll. You can slice the trimmed parts thinly and use them for stir fries or other dishes. Rinse the cabbage leaves, remove any excess water, and place all 12 leaves in a microwave-safe container. Microwave for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the cabbage leaves should be slightly cooked. Let them cool for a moment. Finely chop the carrot. Finely chop the onion. Slice the green onion thinly after cutting it in half lengthwise. Now prepare the chicken. You can use minced chicken breast or tenderloin. Place the minced chicken and chop the vegetables into a mixing bowl. Let's season the mixture. Add a half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 pinches of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix everything well until combined. Take a cooled cabbage leaf and lay it flat on a cutting board. Place a spoonful of the filling onto the leaf and spread it out thinly. Then roll it from one end to the other. Try to roll it as thinly as possible so the filling cooks faster. Repeat this process for the remaining cabbage leaves. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Add a pinch of salt and mix again. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Dip each cabbage roll in the egg mixture, then place it on the pan. Cook on medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Then reduce to low heat and cook slowly until the filling is fully cooked. Flip them once halfway through cooking. Let's make a dipping sauce while the rolls are cooking. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of red pepper powder, this is optional, and half tablespoon of honey. Mixing well. Your delicious dipping sauce is ready. It's the perfect match for the cabbage rolls. Healthy and delicious cabbage rolls are done. Cut them in half with scissors and dip them in the sauce for the best flavor. So delicious. How was today's recipe? I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.